So you do your best to keep your Carhartt jacket in tip top. Keeps customers from thinking you're stealing from them. But certain activities take their toll, like bucket pool. I've never worked a day in this jacket. Why is the left and the right so tattered then? Because I use both hands like a pro. I'm just kidding. First you get to trim the fray from the fringe. Then mend those fibres with E6000 or similar. Old Shugu works great, as long as it's new. It'll give it a nice lip, something to bite onto. Prevents blowout with your thread. Make sure to use a glue with a fine tip, that way you don't spooge all over your jacket, making a good zipper bullet. And maybe glue some other things while you're at it, like a center cap you had to nab from a salvage yard because Les Schwab lost yours many years back. And the ones you get from a salvage yard aren't always in the best condition. First, let it dry, then thread the needle with the appropriate thread. I'm not going to show you how to thread a needle, tie the knots. That's the 101 course. You're not going to get that here. Now whip out your handy dandy sewing kit. Let's get started. Now this part takes patience, one stitch at a time. You can't be a minute man. No 3 pump chumpers allowed. Start in the center and then sew to the sides. Prevents it from getting wonky, all lumpy, like a botched tummy tuck. Or too many IPAs. That'll do it. Then continue this method until all the holes are filled or sewed. And a little bit more glue never hurts. Prevents future fray. It's a start, only 10 more to go. Well, it's not as good as new, it's not the prettiest, but you'll get some more miles out of her. Sure, in hindsight I could have ran to the store and got another overpriced Carhartt. But why would I do that? They're the ones who suck. I'm just kidding, I really love their jackets, but people who can't fix things these days, you just can't trust a person who can't sew. The nerve. Calling yourself a craftsman, you can't even mend your own jacket. Not worthy of the Carhartt badge. I'll take it off now. Everyone loves making a good zipper bullet. You can't even mend your own jacket. You're not worthy of the badge. Carhartt.